I am going to make a bar of soap, a batch of soap using coconut oil, olive oil, and tallow. I'll be making a 1 pound batch, and I'm going to leave all these other settings at their original value. I'm going to use like 1 ounce per pound. It may be a bit much, but just add a little fragrance. I go into the selector, oil, fat, and waxes. I'm selecting coconut oil. And I'll go to the recipe oil list and add. The amount and percentage is 33%. Next, going back, oils, fats, and waxes, selecting olive oil. This is known as the Holy Trinity, but I'm using tallow instead of palm. Select olive, add, my percentage is 33%. The Holy Trinity of soap, yes, that's what I said. Next, is tallow beef. Add 33%. So next we do calculate recipe. Oh, oh, 33. Oh, so we'll say tallow beef. We'll do coconut oil at 34 because it has to be 100%. That's the rule. It must be 100%. Calculate recipe. So there you have it. You use 0.34 ounces of coconut oil, 0.33 ounces of olive oil, 0.33 ounces of tallow beef. However, if we switch it to grams, let's just say 500 grams. It's a little over a pound. So now we go back and recalculate. See, 0.34, that's too small. If we calculate again, then you get the numbers that you need. I always use grams because they're most accurate and the least likely for you to make mistakes. So if you go a little over on grams, say you go 172 or 173, that's fine in grams. If you do it in ounces, it'll ruin your recipe. That's your basic walkthrough how to use the soap calculator. Happy soaping!